everyone, and welcome back to Obsessive Chicks. I'm a little freaked out right now. It's snow apocalypse in the Southwest. I don't know what I'm going to do. You know, I've got a few supplies, but I just don't know that I can make it through 2-3 days of being packed in with snow and not being able to get anywhere. What am I going to do? I'm so afraid. No, I'm not. I'm not afraid at all. I'm prepared. These are not just my preparations. I'm doing this video because I'm going to give all the credit to Fox 10 News, and I'll have that link below. I don't know if you can see it. It's bare shelves in grocery stores up north. Are you prepared for anything? Anything? 2 days? 3 days? A week? A month? Oh my gosh, do you have heat? What if your heat goes out? What are you going to do to stay warm? Do you have any fuel sources? Have you planned for anything? And I'm talking basic water. I'm talking about, do you have even enough food on your shelves for a couple days? And people are flocking to the stores, and on this Fox 10 in Phoenix, there are literally the comments and the pictures, and I'll list a few of the pictures up in this video, of empty shelves. And then the negative comments from people that are mocking the people that are going out and getting supplies. And literally, there's a girl, and you can read all these comments. Good Lord, everyone wants to talk crap. But if we weren't prepared and bad things happened, then everyone would be screaming. Well, you were warned for days. Why didn't you prepare? Judgmental jerks. These pics are the high demand sections. Where I was at the store earlier, there was tons of stuff still. Being prepared for a few days isn't a bad thing. So everyone that was a little low on milk bought more. Geez, we are in Arizona. Yes, we get some snow, but usually a few inches. Our roads are not prepared. We don't have a buttload of plows, and most of us don't have chains. Get over it. We want to stay home and be safe and drink our dang milk. Every time we get a few inches, there are tons of accidents. So I'm glad people are ready to just stay put and stay safe. And this is a comment from Amber Rose. And she's right. But if you watch anything on my channels of being prepared, water storage, the different things, be prepared beforehand. And she is not wrong being prepared, not wanting to be out on the roads, but I find it so funny how judgmental people are because people are trying to get a few supplies. They're like, oh, it's only going to be a couple days. How do you know it's going to be a couple days? How do you know that a power grid isn't going to get wiped out? Just because people in the East, the Northeast, live with this on a day-to-day basis doesn't mean the people in the Southwest do. So going out and getting a few supplies isn't a bad thing. So this brings me all to why we prep. And another reminder, why we prep. Are you prepared for anything? And I mocked the Oreos back here because somebody on the Fox 10 made a comment about, oh, they're picking up their Oreos. Well, and then there's another person that says, I am prepared. I have been. I store food. And I've got my Oreos and my chips, and I'm going to gain a bunch of weight because I'm not going to go out trying to find groceries. I applaud them. Being prepared. Do you have candles in your house in case you don't have a power? Flashlights. Matches. Batteries. These are things we have to think about on top of just water. We can all go without a bath for a couple days. We don't need to worry about that. But do you have something to go to the bathroom in case your pipes are all frozen? What are you going to do? You're going to go squat outside in the snow? You can, but I'm sure you don't want to. So I've got a video on, different ideas on pooping. Canned foods. As a prepper, and if you haven't started getting into canning, it is amazing because you can your own products. And I've got several videos that will be listed down below of canning products. And, just simple things like freeze-dried food that I've got back here. Canned tuna, always a winner, always a staple. I've got a video out on how to prep with soups. Chili, corned beef hash. If your power was to go out, how can you heat up those? Are you're going to eat it cold? You can, but how are you going to heat it up? Have you thought about that? Have you thought about the water? Have you thought about all your basic essential things from toilet paper, all of it? So I just highly recommend, you think about it, you make some sense out of it in your own head. Check out some of our videos, and don't be caught unprepared. I know I'm safe, and I'm walking, I've got the little hat on and the blanket, and I'm down in the valley. We have no issues, but we could. Power outages, major storms. You don't know what's going to happen. You don't know what's around the corner. You don't know that you're going to lose your job. So just be prepared. Have a couple weeks of food on hand, and I'll show you in different videos how to do it. I just wanted to do a quick reminder of snow apocalypse. What can happen, and are you prepared? The Southwest is getting hunkered down with a ton of snow, and I want everybody to stay safe, stay indoors, because you are prepared. If you like this video, please subscribe, and if you want to be notified for future videos, ring the bell. And if you want to see things from our day-to-day on Instagram, check us out on Obsessive Chicks. You all have a blessed and safe day.